I've known this building for a long, long time. For decades, this was the largest public health facility in North America. A wonderful facility with a wonderful reputation. We were here when not only the new hospital was opened, but when this old building was closed up. It stayed closed and boarded up for 18 years. It became a home for transients. The paint peeled, the basement filled up with water, the windows were all broken. It was ready for demolition. Many of the finest doctors in the country were trained here, and it's a major part of the community, even though it's been abandoned. We've got the opportunity to rebuild that community. It's called Harrison Square.
Harrison Square is all about the community. We hope to build approximately 3 million square feet of space.
There'll be apartment buildings, there'll be condominium buildings, grocery stores, commercial spaces.
We're going to look to employ thousands of people over the next 10 years. And it's with great pride and humility that we approach this.
We're very excited that this building, this complex, this program is going to renovate this area.